The health benefits and uses of sago pearls, also known as sabudana. 1. Sago pearls are made from the spongy center found in tropical palm trees. These are commonly harvested in South Asia but are used all over the world. 2. These are a natural source of carbohydrates and can be eaten regularly if you wish to gain weight easily. 3. Sago is often rolled into balls and mixed with boiling water to form a paste used in cooking for items such as pancakes. 4. A pudding can also be created with this ingredient by adding boiled milk and sugar to make a sweet treat. 5. The pearls themselves look similar to tapioca and are often used in place of potato starch. 6. Sago has saved the lives of many people in countries and areas which have no agriculture. The high carbohydrate content contains lots of calories and are excellent when there is a shortage of food. 7. It contains small amounts of calcium, iron, fat, carotene, thiamine and ascorbic acid. 8. The main benefit of eating sago regularly is that it boosts energy levels by raising blood sugar. This is excellent to take before exercise or long walks. 9. Sago pearls are used in a great range of recipes as they act as a thickening agent, especially when creating baked goods such as bread or pastries. 10. We recommend boiling sago with water, lemon juice and honey to make a delicious lemon sago pudding. This is often served in New Zealand. To learn more about nutrition, foods and natural remedies, please see our other videos. Thank you very much for listening. A like is always appreciated and remember to subscribe for more healthy videos. I wish you great health, wealth and happiness.